It's a touchdown for Tampa Bay.
No doubt.
Roll Tide.
Rob, thank you so much.
Thank you.
I really
so much.
appreciate it. Thank you.
Great job. Great job. Great job.
Mr. Deskins.
Let's check in with Bobby D.
You know, we've been sitting at 80, 85 degrees for a month or so, and then as soon as everybody gets here, we had our cold snap. But it's warming up. The city's looking fantastic, and Jose Gaspar's sailboat, that ship out there has been lit up nicely. It'll be lit up again tonight. We'll show you that coming up. Just fantastic. The city has done an awesome job. Now, Mother Nature's helping us out. We're starting to warm things up a little bit. We topped out in the mid-60s for today, finally, and we stuck into the 50s yesterday. Still going to be cool tonight and then warmer tomorrow, but we're definitely going to be warming things up. Just generally everybody about 64, 66 degrees right now. No rain in the forecast, barely any clouds. A great night to be out and about and a great night for the football game. Temperatures will slowly fall back down through the 50s so that by about the end of the game, we're about 54, 53 degrees or so. And then tomorrow, yeah, look at that. We're warming up. Back into the 70s for highs. Only thing I did want to caution you for tonight is really tomorrow morning. It's a little bit of patchy fog. That's it. Sun sets at 5:52 this evening. It's back up at 7:23 in the morning, and there will be some fog. Now, this is our fog forecast map, and it looks a little bit overdone to me here, especially by about 7:30 or so. But what fog we do see will burn up very quickly. 8:30, 9:30, it's almost all gone, and we are bringing the sunshine back out. And the heat, too. Now, watch the wind arrows here. Very light winds this evening. We're going to go about 5 to 10 for the game. And then overnight, they start to turn towards the east. And that'll continue through tomorrow. And you see a couple of showers trying to come over midday tomorrow. I think most areas will stay dry. That'll be mainly over on the East Coast. And in fact, even there, they'll only see an isolated shower. So starting to warm up today, when we got back to the mid-60s, we continue it tomorrow into the mid to low 70s. Beautiful weather. 70 is the average high temperature for this time of year. And if you notice, the wind has slowly come down over the last 24 hours or so. We're going to have about 10 to 15 knots in the morning, but down to about 5 to 10 in the afternoon tomorrow for our boaters. Cold air did a number on the water. Gulf temp about 64 degrees. Look for a light to moderate chop on the bay, moderate more in the morning. Now, dew points drop. Nice and dry air, right? They will start to come back, but watch this. This takes us through tomorrow afternoon and into Wednesday. And they get up to about 60 degrees or so, and then they're going to stay there. When that gets into the 60s, we really start to feel the humidity. I think they're going to stay right around 59, 60 degrees. And then look at the warm air that's coming back out to our west. Big ridge of high pressure parks itself off the coast. East to southeast winds, that's a warm wind. It can be a muggy wind for us. I don't think it'll be too muggy, but that means a good warm-up, not only for us, but all the way up the East Coast over the next several days. So, 7-day forecast, fantastic. 73 tomorrow after a cold start in the upper 40s to near 50 degrees, but 76 on Wednesday, close to 80 Thursday, all the way through the weekend into next week. Our next chance for rain doesn't really get here until at least Tuesday into Wednesday of next week.
All right, Bobby, we've had this quote-unquote blast of cold, but certainly nothing compared to what the West Coast is going through. It is the biggest winter storm there in more than a decade. It's bringing strong winds and heavy rain, and all of that rain is triggering some major flooding and mudslides in California and Nevada.